Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Damit. Today I am gonna explain about basic concepts which are relevant SQL. Today I will explain about SQL clauses. Order by clause, where clause, like and not like, having clause. I will move on to order by clause. I use MySQL command line for my queries. I will move on to MySQL command line. Okay. Before move on to queries, we have to create a database. Already I have created a database. I will show what are the database are available in my SQL server. Show databases. You can see there are multiple databases in my MySQL server. I use sample db as use database. Sample db. I will show what are the tables are available in my sample db. Show tables. I have two tables in my sample db. I will use items table for the queries. Select all from items. I will show what are the data are available in items table. You can see there are four lines are available in items table. I will explain what is the meaning of order by clause. Order by clause is used to sort the rows in query result set. We can use order by clause for the data sorting. I will explain how to use order by clause with SQL query. I am going to sort this items table data using order by clause. You can use select all from items order by item name, order by item name as ascending order. You can see result of this query. Item names have been successfully ordered according to the ascending order. We can use order by clause for the descending order also. Select all from items order by item name as descending order. Okay. Basically, we can use order by clause for the ordering of our table, ascending or descending. Okay. I will move on to my second one, where clause. Okay. I will explain how to use where clause in SQL. I will get this table, items table. I will write some SQL query in here. Select all from items table. I will add where clause. I am going to filter particular data in my items table using where clause. I can use select all from items where price equal 10. We can use some condition after where clause. According to the condition, data have been successfully filtered. Okay. As a next, I will move on to having clause. It is easy for me to explain having clause with where clause. I will explain how to use having clause with SQL command. I will add having clause in here. Having price 10, you can see result as same where clause. I will explain what is the difference between where and having clauses. For that, I will write separate query to get item name and quantity columns related values. Select item name and quantity from items table where price equal 10. You can see result as this. I will write having clause in here. I'm going to change where clause to having. Select item name and quantity from items table having price equal 10. You can see there is an error. The reason, before filter where clause executes. Having clause executes after filter. After filter from item name quantity from items table, but there is a no any columns which are relevant price. Okay, basically the having clause is used to filter group of rows that have been written by a group by a clause. Okay, I will explain like and not like clauses. I will clean and I will show my items table data. You can see there are 4 data in items table. I'm going to add like clause to my SQL query. Select all from items table where item name like. We can add some string with percentage mark. I will add get. You can see get string related data have been returned to the result. You can see there are 2 data which are relevant get string. Okay, when I add not like, you can see result as these which are not relevant get string. Okay, as a summary, I have explained about order by clause, where clause, like and not like, as well as having clause. I think you could grasp my explanation. If you have any comment or suggestion, please put that into comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.